G'day team and welcome back to another episode. Today we are looking at this dashboard. This is the Flame dashboard where it lets you customize to have your self-hosted applications, any other application, as well as bookmarks or hyperlinks added. So join us to how we're going to be installing it and configuring it. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the official Docker Hub website, link in description. Let's scroll down to the Docker Compose file. Let's copy all of these. Next, what we'll do is go to our container instance that we installed in our previous video. We're going to navigate to local, stacks, add a stack. Let's paste the code. Next, what we'll do, we're going to remove this feature as we will not be using it. And we are going to set a password. Make sure it's a secure password. But for this example, we'll just give it a easy password. And what we're going to do is change the directory. And let's give it a name. Next, we're going to scroll down and deploy the stack. This will take a couple of minutes depending on your hardware as well as your internet speed. So we'll be back once it's installed. So once it's been downloaded and installed, you will verify by going dashboard, going to containers, and you will ensure you've got a container with your name, so Flame in our instance, and it is running. Take note of the port we've given it, and what we're going to do is open up a new tab. We're going to give it the IP followed by the port, and you will be presented with the home page. So for the initial configuration, it says to go to settings, login, and start customization. So let's go down to the bottom left on the cog, left click, and click on app. So now it's going to ask for the password to give us administration right, and we'll be using the password we just created. If you're unsure what password is, you can go back to your container instance, back to stacks, click on Flame, and click on the editor, and copy the password. And click login. So now that we've logged in, let's go through some of the settings. The top setting is themes. It will allow you to change background, colors, as well as you can make your own custom settings. Save change. The general tab will give you various settings how you're going to be viewing your dashboard. The interface will let you customization such as giving your changing the title, for example at just Maslow, having a search bar, true or false, apologies, and how we see formatting as well as custom greetings if that's something that you like. There is integration for weathers. So if you want to get a third-party website to give it an API key and or give you a longer latitude, that is an integration that you can have. and CSS to give you custom backgrounds and custom HTML settings. And that is the settings tabs. So now let's go through and add an application. Let's click on the application Word, click on add, and for this example we are going to do Patena. Let's give it a name. Next, for the URL, we'll go to the instance and we're going to select the IP as well as the port. You can give a description if you like. You can give an icon and change the visibility. So for the app icon, if we go to this website, it will give you various icons we can grab to give us a visual representation of what we are clicking on, as well as not just the word. So let's look for the Patena instance. It is alphabetical. Let's click on it and copy the link. Let's go back to our dashboard, click on the icon and paste, and let's click on add new application. It's successful. We can close this now and go back to application. So now we can see we've got our first application added. Let's click on it to verify it's working. As we can see, it's loaded a new tab and it is working. Next, let's have a look at the bookmarks. Let's click on bookmarks. Let's give it a category. I'm gonna call it social media. Click add new category and click close. Next, what we'll do is on the social media, click on the social media, click add bookmark, and we are going to call this one just Maslow. Let's go to our favorite YouTube channel. We'll assign it to our social media account. And let's give it an icon. And we'll give it a YouTube icon. And click add new bookmark. So now we can see it's been added. Let's go and view it. So this is the home page. We've got our first application and our first bookmark. So that is all we've got time for today. The possibilities are endless with this dashboard. As you can see, I've got some weather added and a lot more applications and bookmarks. Leave us a comment and let us know what you're hosting, and or send us an image of your dashboard and we can do a review. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.